Welcome to Twin Souls is One. Hope all are doing good. And today we are going to discuss why can we love and hate a twin flame both at the same time. Sometimes in between different phases of our journey, we might feel like we might wish we never met a twin flame and would like to do anything to get rid of the pain we keep facing on this journey and also free ourselves of the obsessiveness of the thoughts that we keep having and just get rid of everything that we have and are undergoing in this journey. Often we also land up blaming our twin flame because our egoic mind, as per this physical world's norms and outlook, feels like it is a twin flame who's doing all the hurting, all the lying to us, ignoring us, keeping us on hold while attending all others, just doing everything except attending us. In many cases, they also go about with other partners or get married, and we think, how could they so easily move on, leaving us all in mess? They just seem to be so unbothered, appear to be completely happy, never to ask about how we are feeling, how we are doing in our life. At the most, what they do is keep us hanging around in the name of a friend and keep coming in and going out of our lives. Now, the divine truth is that the physical forms of us and our twin flame are two opposite energies representing duality, belonging to this earthly plane dynamics for any life to exist here on earth. Duality means up and down, hot and cold, light and dark, good and bad. Everything has opposite here, while in higher frequencies, unity exists. And being twin flames, we are supposed to balance both the worlds, the higher frequencies and the earthly plane. The aim of this twin flame journey is to collapse the duality, erase all the illusions from within us that duality creates. It is this duality of us that makes us love our twin flames at one point of time when all is great, when we are feeling the love within ourselves, and then hate them too when things are going wrong in the physical world between the two bodies, the two personalities of ours and our twin flame. We also get angry or hate our twin flames when they are not by our side, when things are not going great in our life with other set of people like a family members, colleagues, etc. But real divinity is not duality. Duality is fear based, and divine love is anything but fear. Where divine love exists, fear cannot and will not exist at all at any cost. If fear is holding place, then it is definitely not divine love. Fear causes illusion of things being opposite. That means they are separate from each other. That's why our ego mind feels our twin flame is separate from us. But the real truth is that they and us are never separate. How can us be separate when we are one? We are one soul. We need to come into balance, neutrality, to collapse the duality, the extremes that we both bodies feel. Neutrality represents divine love, which remains present in all situations, irrespective of what's happening on the outside world, in the physical world. It remains completely unaffected. Love is centered, and so when we balance the love and hate arising from this physical world that we feel, we ultimately reach physical union. Things start coming together in the physical world as soon as we collapse the duality. So long we stay in duality, we can and we will be with changing outside circumstances, love and hate are twin flame at different points of time. And that's not really loving someone. Love and hate are fear based. To experience opposite, one needs to be in fear, and love has no opposites. Love has no separation or illusion of separation. Love is whole, it's complete, it's balanced. Divine love is being in soul. The twin flame journey is all about shifting into soul, the real you. We need to be our complete, authentic self, free from our human personality. We need to take responsibility for ourselves and be accountable to ourselves for just everything that has happened and for just everything that is happening in our lives right now. This is the first step to self improvement, self realization. We alone are responsible for how we feel. No one on the outside, no circumstances on the outside can make us feel anything unless we say yes to them. Unless we give any meaning to them. Because nothing on the outside has got any meaning unless we give a meaning to them, unless we feel like they are affecting us. If you decide not to get affected, they won't be affecting you. This is exactly what Bashar has explained. Not giving any meaning to anything is a form of being detached, is a way where one can easily keep oneself free of any expectation from just anything and everything. We will not emotionally attach to things or people around when we are detached. All of our emotions are actually happening within us, and the outside world is just reflecting it, because the outside world is just a mirror to our inner world. It is just a simulation, and we are the creator of that simulation. Our twin flame journey is making us all aware of this truth and is all about everything being empowered, feeling sovereignty, feeling freedom, sensing complete liberation from all human societal programming that are nothing but bondages created to keep us all slave to negative entities so that they can run the world as they want. All the human programming has been created by instilling fear within the human egoic mind. That is why it operates from complete fear. That is why it always wants to be in control of everything. But then, now that we are getting to know every truth, we, being the front leaders, are supposed to deprogram ourselves and get into divine truth, and then lead others by embodying the divine truth within ourselves. When we start following the real truth, others will eventually start following it too. We cannot make them follow it by force. We just need to showcase them through ourselves. What is that needs to be done? And if we don't follow the divine truth ourselves, no matter how much we preach, others will not follow it. Because they are our mirrors, remember? So they can reflect only what we hold within ourselves. Remember, we no longer have to rely or depend on anything or anyone else outside of us. I hope this video has helped you. It has clarified why we love and hate our twin flame, what is the concept of duality, what divine truth is, and what we need to exactly do. Thank you for your patient hearing. If you liked it, please do subscribe and like. Stay tuned for more informative videos. Have a good day and lots of love. Wish you the best.